Hello everyone. So this video is about Maharangam. From past almost 2-3 months, we were confused between what should be done and how it should be done. Earlier our annual day was planned in October and somehow we couldn't make it. There are various reasons behind it. We were brainstorming, we were discussing, we were into it, deeply into it. One of our student council student just gave us a thought. Sir, क्या हमेशा वही चीजें करते रहते हैं? कुछ नया करते हैं सर, थिएटर करते हैं सर. And this idea has become Maharangam. Even we were confused between the name also, how it should be named, what should be involved, whether it should be in Hindi or whether it should be in English. So we were confused between various things. We were brainstorming, each and everyone is involved in it, but now it is happening. So it is a mix of everything. It involves annual festival, but it is a theatre festival. It is an art festival in which drama will be there, art will be there, theatre will be there, musical performances will be there, open mic sessions will be there, panel discussion, parenting workshops, many of learning workshops will be there. Even Rahagir Live is coming with us. Nane Manganiyar from Badmer, they are coming with us. Even now, still we are not sure that how many performances will be added in the coming 1 week of time, because I'm shooting this video on this 19th of December and the theatre is happening on 26th, 27th and 28th of December. So still we have working days in our hand and we are working rigorously day and night. Even on Sundays, each and every student is coming, every participant is so excited, everybody is so excited. And from past 1 month, I'm literally shocked how the students are creative, how they can be so much in their mind. हमारे पास भी इतने ideas नहीं होते हैं जितने इन students के पास में हैं. हम लोग 4 ideas throw करते हैं, वो फिर 10 ideas के साथ next day आ रहे हैं. And it is a learning festival for each and everyone. Even I am learning, my principals are learning, even my coordinators, my facilitators, my teachers, my mentors, my each and every staff is learning through students. So this is what we were wanting. So yes, Maharangam is happening and there are lot sessions will be there. Even we are adding many things on each and every day. Monologues will be there, individual performances will be there, poetry sessions will be there, jamming sessions will be there, street plays will be there. Even we are creating a movie scene that is called movie spoof. So we are creating many things, we are adding new things on daily basis. So it is happening on 26th, 27th and 28th of December. It is so obviously इतने सारे सेशंस, इतने सारे पेरेंट्स एक साथ नहीं अटेंड कर पाएंगे, तो हम लोग शेड्यूल देंगे हर पेरेंट्स को. पूरा ड्रामा शेड्यूल होगा, हर किसी ड्रामा का अपना शेड्यूल होगा, हर किसी परफॉर्मेंस का अपना शेड्यूल होगा, हर किसी पेरेंट्स का अपना टाइम होगा. उस टाइम वो आ सकते हैं, बिकॉज हम लोग इतनी सीटिंग एक साथ नहीं अकोमोडेट कर पाएंगे. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर डूइंग इट फॉर 3 days. लर्निंग वर्कशॉप्स विल बी देयर, पेरेंटिंग वर्कशॉप्स विल बी देयर, म्यूजिकल परफॉर्मेंसेस विल बी देयर, ड्रामा विल बी देयर, थिएटर विल बी देयर, डांस विल बी देयर. So it involves everything. It is an annual festival. It is a theatre festival. It is a drama festival. It is a dance festival. It is an exhibition. It is a exhibition of art, and really art is the source to heal the world. I must say thank you to all my staff members. I must say thank you to all my team members. I must say thank you to all my drama teachers, artisans who are working with us, our choreographers, our social media team, our digital learning team. I must say thank you to each and everyone who is involved in it, who are not looking at the watch while working. We are working on Sundays. We are working days and night. So thank you my team. Thank you to the team who is working rigorously for this festival. So it is happening in Ravindra Rangamanch and the town hall and the amphitheater. So all the performances, we will be having almost 4 stages for different performances. So we will let you know the schedule. Each and everything will be posted on our social media channel. Each and everything will be transferred through the notice to the parents also. It will be on a school application also. So the schedule will be given to you in the meantime. So we all are excited for the festival, and I must say we all should be learning, and you all will be way happy to see your child performing in the festival. So wish you all the best to all my students. Wish us the luck. Thank you everyone.